So I can tell by just looking at that this isn't the factory sheet metal by the looks of the bodywork that was used before and the discoloration of this fender, plus the way the door lines up. You can tell this truck was probably in some accident during its life. So we're gonna yank this off anyways and replace it with new sheet metal. But if you do need to break something loose, 3M spray lubricant works good because it is a penetrating lubricant and it'll get inside the threads to make things a lot easier to get out. Jesus. Stop. That's when we stop. That was the total sign. I could do it maybe one more time. Yeah, the bolt is dragging due to rust. This is exactly what I'm talking about, because now that'll penetrate down into the threads, unlock all the rust, and it won't allow this to be damaged, because I've had it done before on these trucks where the thread down here in the cab is damaged, so when you put on the cowl, the thread will just turn and you have to end up welding a nut back on there. Yeah, look how easy that spins right off. Before, we couldn't even turn it. The bumper extenders right here, these brackets that hold the outside of the bumper to the frame, the bolts that are holding those on, they are definitely been rusted on there. So I want to spray a good amount of it on there because I want it to definitely penetrate into the threads, make this easier to remove. Run a cotter pin through there to avoid anything from backing out. Everything still moves nice and freely. That's super important.